Hello there and welcome. In this course, we'll discuss how to identify your ideal customers, connect with them online, and motivate them to become paying customers. Specifically, you'll learn marketing strategies including search engine optimization and search engine marketing. Now, before I talk about what you'll learn, let me first introduce myself. My name is Coach AK. I'm a performance coach, serial entrepreneur, and the current sales excellence lead here at Google. The thing is, I am excited to be the instructor for this course. For over 10 years, I've worked in the startup space, really helping entrepreneurs turn their ideas into reality. You know, everything we experience from the furniture in our homes, the appliances we use, even the way in which we travel, all started with an idea. That idea manifested into action, and that action led to new products and services that impact billions of people every day. For me, my first experience with entrepreneurship was actually in athletics. I was a professional track and field athlete. Now from there, that really taught me the importance of continually growing to make big results. I always found a way to grow, to iterate, and learn the latest techniques and strategies to become successful. And after retiring from athletics in 2016, I used that same energy and dedication and transferred it into the entrepreneurship world. I learned from scratch how to build websites and incorporate SEO strategies. I even used Google Ads to reach audiences from across the world I never knew I could reach. My first website, I still remember, was awful, but looking back, it's what started my journey. Every new thing I learned, I implemented piece by piece. The thing is, my biggest takeaway after all of these years is that you can always grow and you can always learn something new. If you just take the time, be willing to try something new, everything will come together. Every new skill gained is a new muscle formed, which helped me and you become better than we were the day before. Because I believe that 1% better each day creates massive results. See, this course is all about that improvement, helping you build marketing muscles to advance your career in digital marketing when you cross that course finish line. Let's discuss what you'll cover in this course. We'll begin with an important marketing concept and something you should create before beginning any campaign: customer personas. The personas help you ensure you represent specific customer identities, traits, and needs in your marketing. Then we'll go in depth on strategies for each step of the marketing funnel: awareness, consideration, conversion, and loyalty. Then you'll learn about search engine optimization, also called SEO. Search engine optimization is the practice of getting a website to rank higher in search engines like Google. Think about when a potential customer searches for your product and service. You'd like your website to appear as close to the top of the research page as possible, right? Next, you'll learn about search engine marketing, also called SEM. Search engine marketing is similar to search engine optimization, except it's paid placement. A popular example of SEM are the search ads on the Google search engine results page. We'll wrap up with display advertising. You know, when you visit a website and see an advertisement, that's often a display ad. You'll learn how display ads work and some best practices on when and how to use display ads. Okay, now that you have an overview of the course, you're ready to get started.